A great biking experience comes from a great bike. I am Justin, and I am one of the owners of PedGo. PedGo offers a full range of bikes with the best brands in the industry for rental. Whether you are going on an advanced trail during your mountain biking or roaming around the cities, with PedGo, you will find the perfect bike that suits your needs and brings joy to the ride. Owning a bike is a big investment. Beginner level to high-end bikes may cost hundreds and thousands of dollars. If mountain biking is something that you don't do often, rental is a better choice than purchasing. That way, not only you can save some cash, but also your costly bike won't collect dust in the garage for the rest of the year. We allow people to experience premium quality bikes at a reasonable price. A wide variety of bikes are available for you to choose from. Cross-country, downhill, free ride, and trail. Enjoy your ride for an hour to several days. Protective gears and helmet included in the package will make your journey safer. Smile with every trail you go. Experience the best ride you will ever rent with PedGo.